Take a nice deep breath in. Go it all the way out.
Oh!
Okay.
I wish you saw your face. You'll see your face.
That's what Jesus was.